Hi, this is Lon Welsh at Your Castle Real Estate, and I want to talk a little bit about the 30-year mortgage rate. So here's a chart from the Wall Street Journal showing you from January of 2020 to current, and you can see that we hit our bottom for mortgage rates right around Christmas time of last year at about 2.7%, and since then they've gone to a little bit above 3%. So it's about a 0.3% increase in the mortgage rates in just a very short time of about 2.5 months. Why is this happening? So the mortgage rates are priced off of the 10-year Treasury, which is how the government finances all of its debt. And there's been, since the election, a lot of discussion that the Biden administration would like to pass a $1.9 trillion stimulus package in addition to the almost $4 trillion of stimulus that's already been approved. And that actually did pass the House and the Senate. They're just going through the reconciliation process as I talk about this on March 8th. So the bond markets have reacted to, in addition to the record amount of government debt we've had to issue in the last year and a half due to COVID, there's another $2 trillion of debt that's going to have to get issued pretty quickly just to pay for all this additional stimulus. Supply and demand applies to the bond market just as much as everything else on the planet. So if you suddenly need to move $1.9 trillion worth of debt in a short period of time, you've got to increase the interest rate to stimulate the investors to bring that cash to get all the money raised for the government. That's why the government cost of debt has gone up so suddenly since Christmas, since Biden got elected, and since the mortgage interest rate is pretty tightly pegged to the 10-year Treasury, it's no particular surprise that the mortgage rates have gone up as well. We anticipate that actually that the mortgage rate increases will probably continue at a very modest level throughout the rest of the year. So if you've been thinking about buying, this would be a great time to do so. It's not a 50-year low for mortgage rates. It's not like a 45-year low, which is still absolutely phenomenal. Take advantage of it and lock it in.